The European Central Bank had their interest rate decision this afternoon, which remains unchanged at 0%. But the ECB's dovish policymakers appear to have accepted the fact that interest rates will need to be raised sooner rather than later in order to tackle the increasingly high inflation, which most recently came in at 7.5% as of April 2022. This is far above their 2% target, and it's pushing the ECB ever more closer to the inflation rate of the Federal Reserve Bank and the Bank of England, which both took a hawkish stance and raised rates in their last interest rate decisions. However, the ECB intended to raise the key interest rates by 25 basis points in July, the first rate hike in over a decade. The ECB also stated it will look to raise rates again in September, and this hike could be larger than that of the July hike if inflation continues to grow at the current rate. They have also confirmed that they will end the net asset purchases under APP as of July 1st, 2022. We'll have a look at some of the charts and we'll see how the euro has reacted on the back of this news. We'll first come across to euro dollar and we'll see how this currency pair has reacted. So on the run up to the data release, the euro appears to be gaining some strength. We can see euro dollar here. Euro is gaining strength, euro dollar increases in value. It's possibly people anticipating the move before it's happened, but since the data came out unchanged, price immediately moved to the downside coming into the US Open. A similar movement can be seen in euro sterling here. Very similar movements driven by the euro, where it's had an initial move up as the data is released, followed by a quick correction and a more bearish sentiment followed. We'll see how this continues and see how markets price in the upcoming rates hikes. And we'll keep you up to date on this and obviously fill you in coming up to the next interest rate decision. But thank you all for watching, and we will speak to you next time.